It's a month of love. I'm gonna bring our food to a table near you.
Okay, well, as you guys know, promise, for the month of love, we are going to be sharing either a dessert or dinner with you guys. So tonight is the rest of that we have in groceries. This is from Trader Joe's. We have jollof rice.
Jollof.
Wanted to try this out. Half a pack of shrimp.
Jumbo shrimp.
Already peeled out.
Alright, gotta have veggies.
So, if you'd like to continue watching our loving dinner from our home to yours, make sure that you keep tuning in.
Please enjoy your feast. That flavor popping.
This is what's so fun about us cooking together during the month of love. Or maybe this could be a more permanent spot.
Not a chance.
Oh my gosh, come on. You know you've been enjoying this.
Speak for yourself.
Guys, we're going to see if we can keep him on to wife's cookbook.
Don't hold your breath. The carn open.
Oh my gosh, we're so excited to try this spicy Jollof seasoned mix from Trader Joe's. Babe, are you excited? Or is it just me? Ooh, spices. Adding it real slow.
Yeah, that's real slow.
Yeah.
Just threw it in.
Alright, now because there's too much water, I'm gonna start taking the water out as you see. Alright, so this pan's nice and getting
Time to
hot.
sear some jumbo shrimp.
Let's sear some sizzle! Oh yeah. On the beat of love.
Okay, don't go there.
This just reminds me of the beat of love.
Sing it in your head now. Thank you.
You don't want me to sing?
Nope. You heard it here first.
Try, do you guys want me to sing?
Please say no.
On the beat of love. I flipped
Add
over the
some
shrimp.
butter to make the shrimp nice and slippery. Yeah, both that shrimp. Come join us to this feast.
Yes. This was difficult, to say the least. Okay, so let's try it. The jollof rice is not my thing.
Yeah.
The grain was difficult. And then, of course, let's try out the shrimp. Well, guys,
Don't choke, please.
don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know down below. Will you be trying this meal out? Until next time.
Tune into the feast.